Welcome to Graphillus, your ultimate creative hub. Hi there. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here at Graphillus. This channel is all about unlocking your creative potential. From stunning visuals and engaging content to digital art and illustrations, we've got tutorials that make learning fun and easy. Here, you'll find step-by-step guides, tips, and tricks to elevate your skills. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. Join our growing community of creatives and share your journey with us. We love seeing your creations and celebrating your progress. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got a lot of exciting content coming your way, and we can't wait to get started. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.